Kalma, kalma!
Pagdigle, pagdigle.
Ready?
Ready?
One, two, three.
Yeah. Miscommunication is a madness, man.
What's up yo? Kamusta kayong lahat? Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong little moment namin na sa family. Nag-surprise gender reveal pala yung mga kapatid ko para sa second baby namin. And honestly, nakakagulat din kung paano nila na-prepare lahat ito in just one day. Simple lang siya. Walang sobrang grand na preparation, pero siguro yun din yung dahilan kung bakit naging special siya para sa amin. Seeing everyone there, excited, nagtatawanan, nangasar, naghihintay kung baby boy ba or baby girl, napaisip lang ako, we are really about to become a family of 4. And someday, kapag mas malaki na ang mga bata, babalikan namin itong video na to. Maybe hindi na namin maaalala lahat ng sinabi namin that night. Pero at least, makikita nila kung gaano sila ka-excited na hinihintay at minamahal ng mga taong nasa paligid namin. Kaya syempre, I want to thank everyone who made this night possible. Sa family namin, sa mga kapatid namin na nagplano at nag-asikaso ng lahat, sa mga pinsan niya, and of course sa team ko rin, kaya meron tayong magandang documentation ng gabing ito. Thank you for giving your time. Thank you for making something simple feel this special. And most of all, thank you for celebrating another life with us. Another chapter, another little person we're already excited to meet. I love you all, and baby, we'll see you very, very soon.
Chasing our shadows through the London rain. An hour of madness, a lifetime of pain. Friendly fire.